Hey everyone, Zain with you. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the Grok app, the AI-powered assistant from XAI that's been making waves. Is it really worth the hype? Stick around as I review its features, walk you through a quick tutorial, and share my honest thoughts. And for now, let's get started. What is Grok? So what exactly is Grok? It's created by XAI. Grok is an AI chatbot designed to give truthful, useful answers with a dash of personality. It's available on iOS, Android, and through X with a free tier and premium options like Super Grok for higher usage limits. It's marketed as no-nonsense AI that can handle everything from science questions to meme explanations, and it even has image generation and voice mode in the apps. Sounds cool, right? But does it live up to the buzz? Let's explore. Tutorial. Now I will show you exactly how to use Grok AI. First, you'll need to download the application. You can download from Google Play Store or App Store. You'll need an X account to sign in. You can even sign in with your Google. If you are a premium or premium plus subscriber, you will get more access, but the free version works too. Asking questions. Once you are in, you can ask it any question that you can actually add in the text box at the bottom. For example, I will ask, why does rain smell good? Okay, I will type it right here and I'll see how it will, how it will answer. Okay, now it answered the question as you can see. Grok pulls real-time data from X and the web. And in about 11 seconds, it gave me a clear breakdown about literature and the science behind it. Pretty neat. Deep search and think mode. For complex questions, hit the deep search icon. So I will select this one right here. And I will ask it, please demonstrate how to tell the difference between a CT and MRI. Now we will see how it does it think. Deep search button for a detailed report or the think button for step-by-step reasoning. So here you have two options. You can even choose between Grok 3 and Grok 4 if you want to upgrade. So here it tells you all the differences. As you can see, it also provides some reference. So here you can see some websites, Practice Plus Group, accept all cookies. You can see here some CTs. So this is actually a way it can help you. Image generation with Grok Imagine. Grok Imagine lets you create images. I typed, for example, origami Cybertruck, and it generated a cool image in seconds. It's less restricted than other AI image tools, but results can be hit or miss. So here, as you can see, it looks very good, to be honest. You can even download the photo if you need. Voice mode. Voice mode available on the apps. Feels natural and responsive, but it's exclusive to premium users right now. It's just like the voice mode in ChatGPT. It is only for premium users. Now let's tell the good and the bad. The good, speed and clarity. Grok's responses are fast, often under 5 seconds for simple queries, and it shines in logic-heavy tasks like math or research. Real-time data. Its integration with X gives it an edge for up-to-date info, like pulling recent posts about tech trends. And another good thing is the personality. Grok's witty tone makes it fun, especially in fun mode, though it's less edgy now than earlier versions. And finally, the last but not the least advantage is the multimodal features. You can upload PDFs, images, or even ask about memes, and it handles them all. Now let's talk about the disadvantages. Usability issues. Some users report voice mode cutting or the app erasing prompts if the screen rotates. It can be frustrating. Con number 2 is the accuracy concerns. When I tested topics I know well, Grok made some mistakes, so double check its answers on niche subjects. And my advice here to overcome this problem is to simply try to use another AI tool like DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, so you can use the same prompt on these AIs in order to get the best results, and you can integrate all the answers from all websites or from all AIs to get the final one. Another con is the premium cost. The $40 per month X Premium Plus or upcoming Super Grok plan feels steep compared to competitors like ChatGPT Plus at $20. The final disadvantage is the limited availability. Grok isn't available everywhere yet, so check if it is in your region or not. Is it worth the hype? So is Grok worth it? Honestly, it's a mixed bag. Grok 3 is powerful, fast, and great for quick research or creative tasks, especially if you are active on X, but it is not perfect. Usability bugs and accuracy issues hold it back, and the premium price is hard to justify when free models like DeepSeek R1 are solid alternatives. If you are curious, try the free version on the X or the app first. For coders or heavy researchers, it's promising but not yet a game changer. And that is my take on Grok. It's got potential, but it is not quite the AI revolution some claim. Have you tried Grok? Drop down below in the comments your thoughts about Grok and tell me if you have used it or not. And that's all for our today's review. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.